Hello, I am student Donya Alshoufy from the Department of Architecture, Al Zaytuna University. In this video, I will explain to you the concept of an architect or what is called a consultant through this presentation. In this presentation, we will talk about many topics related to the architect. And among these topics, introduction to the architect, definition of architect, architect term, example of architects, favorite architect, architect and architecture engineering, characteristic of the architect, who works with the architect, relationship between the architect and the clients, how to choose architects, responsibilities of architects, companies that provide training for architects. Firstly, an architect is a highly skilled and creative professional responsible for designing, planning, and constructing buildings, structures, and spaces. An architect uses a combination of artistic vision, technical expertise, and problem-solving skills to create blueprints, drawings, and maps. Architects play a pivotal role in shaping the built environment around us. Architects have also taken on an increasing responsibility for sustainable and environmentally conscious design, seeking to reduce the environmental impact of buildings and enhance energy efficiency. Who is the architect? An architect is a trained and licensed professional who specializes in planning, designing, and supervising the construction or renovation of buildings and structures. Architects are responsible for creating functional, aesthetic, and safe environments that meet the needs of their clients and comply with building codes and regulations. Architect term. The architect can refer to various things depending on the context. For example, someone might be called the architect of a new economic policy if they are responsible for designing a comprehensive economic strategy. Here we will present a group of architects such as Frank Lloyd Wright, Le Corbusier, Ian Pei, Antoni Gaudi. In addition to Eero Saarinen, Norman Foster, Louis Sullivan, Renzo Piano, Maya Lin. There are some pictures for theses architects. These architects who have made significant contributions to the field of architecture, each with their unique styles and influences. Zaha Hadid is my favorite architect. Renowned British-Iraqi architect known for her innovative and distinctive architectural designs. Hadid was one of the most influential architects of her generation and made a significant impact on contemporary architecture. Architect and architecture. Architecture is the art and science of designing and constructing buildings and other physical structures. Each style has its own unique characteristics and historical significance. It includes the various aspects undertaken by an architect, including the design, construction, materials, style. In addition to sustainability, urban planning, interior design, historic preservation, computer-aided design CAD, licensing. Here we will talk about some key characteristics commonly associated with architects: creativity, analytical thinking, attention to detail, communication skills. There are some other characteristics such as technical competence, problem-solving skills, time management, knowledge of building codes and regulations. In addition to collaboration, visualization skills, cultural awareness, business acumen, ethical and professional integrity. Finally, lifelong learning. These characteristics help architects not only design structures that are functional and aesthetically pleasing, but also help them navigate the complex process of bringing those designs to life. Then, an architect typically works with a variety of professionals and stakeholders throughout the course of a construction or design project. Includes clients, engineers, contractors and builders, interior designers, in addition to landscape architects, urban planners, government authorities, environmental consultants, surveyors. Also, they works with clients' representatives, specialized consultants, users, and occupants. Here we will discuss the relationship between the architect and the clients. The relationship between an architect and their clients is a crucial aspect of any architectural project, and here are some key aspects of the relationship between architects and clients. Communication, trust, collaboration, budget and finance. Addition to design process, timeline and schedule, legal and regulatory compliance, quality assurance. Also, flexibility, conflict resolution, post-project relationship. Ultimately, a successful architect-client relationship is built on clear communication, trust, mutual respect, and a shared commitment to achieving the project's goals while managing expectations and challenges along the way. Here we will present some things that help us choose the ideal architect. Choosing an architect is a crucial step in any construction or renovation project. The architect plays a pivotal role in shaping the design and functionality of the building, so it's essential to make an informed decision. Here are steps to help you choose the right architect. Define your project needs, research, check qualifications, portfolio review, interviews and meetings, request references, review contracts and fees, check compatibility, evaluate costs. There are some responsibilities of architects, such as architects are professionals who design and plan buildings and other structures. Their role is multifaceted and involves a range of responsibilities throughout the entire process of creating a building or space. Here are some key tasks and responsibilities of architects: conceptual design, site analysis, planning and zoning compliance, design development. In addition to construction documents, project management, sustainability and environmental considerations, interior design, client communication. And he also responsible to collaboration, quality control, problem solving, post-construction. Finally, we will talk about some companies that provide training for architects. Many companies and organizations offer training and development opportunities for architects. These programs can range from on-the-job training and apprenticeships to formal educational courses and workshops. And here are a few notable organizations and companies that provide training for architects. American Institute of Architects, IA, National Council of Architectural Registration Boards, NCARB, architectural firms. In addition to professional associations, include the Royal Institute of British Architects, RIBA, in the UK, and the Royal Architectural Institute of Canada, RAIC, green building organizations, like the U.S. Green Building Council, USGBC, government agencies. And then these are some of the logos of some organizations. In the end, this is a brief summary that explains some matters related to the architect. And you can find them in more detail and more explanation in the presentation presented in this video, and you can find in the caption. Thank you for watching.